Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that Saturday energy again. Back in the lab, 7-6 studio. Smoke clouds, beats loud, no worries. Roll one up, let's get it. Saturday morning, wake up slow. Text from the homies like it's time, let's go. Grab my hoodie, my pen, headphones. 7-6 is block where we all call home. Backwood burning incense mix. Mic check, clean, load the kicks and the riffs. Bassline heavy, whole room start shaking. Saturday sessions, man, history in the making. Ashtray full, but the vibe stay clear. Laughter in the air, we forget all fear. Bills, pain, stress, let the outside wait. In the stool with my brothers, we control our fate. At the 7-6, smoke thick in the room. Make buzz beats, light trees, let the music consume. It's Saturday night, we just vibe, no stress. Every hit, every sound, feel like God say yes. At the 7-6, chasing highs with the homies. Got the city in my soul and the dream in the booth. It's Saturday night, we just ride that wave. Turn the pain into rhythm, let the beat engrave. Blunt after blunt and the stories get deeper. Life on the track make the pain sound sweeter. Shorty call my phone but I hit decline. Music first, baby girl, let me free my mind. But now that when the verse hit clean, run that back, echo through the smoke machine. We ain't chasing no fame, just the truth we speak. From the block to the booth, it's the same heartbeat. Cups on the table, toast to the grind. Every Saturday's a chapter in the book we design. From sunset to sunrise, vibe never fades. 7-6 studio, where the memories made. 7-6, smoke thick in the room. Make buzz beats, light trees, let the music consume. It's Saturday night and we just vibe, no stress. Every hit, every sound, feel like God say yes. At the 7-6, chasing highs with the homies. Got the city in my soul and the dream in the booth. It's Saturday night, we just ride that wave. Turn the pain into rhythm, let the beat engrave. Windows fog up, from the smoke we blow. But the fire and the music make the whole room glow. Saturday divine, we the architects here. Building sound skyscrapers that the world gon' hear. No clocks, no rules, just vibes in the space. Every snare, every chord like a prayer we trace. If tomorrow don't come, let the record spin. We eternal in the booth where the nights begin. Now it's 2 a.m. but the energy strong. Smoke of the blunt beat, switch up so we write a new song. My homie Bud on the keys, Alizé chopping the loops. I'm lacing my verse while he rally the troops. Smoke got me lifted but the bar's still tight. Every line paint a picture in the neon light. We don't need no club, don't need no stage. Saturday's enough, let the sound escape. Talking future plans while the hi-hats tick. Next year we gon' drop, whole world get lit. But for now just chillin', letting records play. Saturday our kingdom, we gon' root all day. At the 7-6, smoke thick in the room. Make buzz beats, light trees, let the music consume. It's Saturday night, we just vibe, no stress. Every hit, every sound, feel like God say yes. At the 7-6, chasing highs with the homies. Got the city in my soul and the dream in the booth. It's Saturday night, we just ride that way. Turn the pen into the let it ride, let it ride. Saturday never ends, it just fade to dawn. But the echoes of the beat keep us moving along. Last turn to chance, chance turn to rhymes. Blunts burn slow while we bending the time. Life too short, so we live in this space. Every note like a jewel that we carefully place. From the bottom to the top, from the lows to highs. Saturday remind us why the dream never dies. So we keep on creating, keep on sparking the flame. Every record in the vault is a part of our name. And when the world too cold, I just come back through. 7-6 on the door, yeah that's home, that's true. That's true. At the 7-6, smoke thick in the room. Make buzz beats, light trees, let the music consume. It's Saturday night, we just vibe, no stress. Every hit, every sound, feel like God say yes. At the 7-6, chasing highs with the homies. Got the city in my soul and the dream in the booth. It's Saturday night, we just ride that wave. Turn the pain into rhythm, let the beat engrave.
Yeah, Saturday, it's more than a day, it's a lifestyle. 7-6 studio, where the smoke rise and the buzz beats fall. We live, we vibe, we create, and the world gon' yeah.